Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the TUSA UM29 Freediving Mask. So it's effectively a pair of swimming goggles, but with a nose pocket. So that means that it's ultra low volume. Okay, it does restrict your field of vision, but it does improve it a little bit on a sort of standard pair of swim goggles in a couple way. If we take a closer look, so the first thing is that this is a twin lens design. But the lenses, they're made out of plastic, they're not made out of glass, so don't use any kind of abrasive sort of pre-treatment because that will damage it and you can scratch it quite easily. It's a frame design, so we've got the frame that goes all the way around the side and goes straight onto the strap, and then it becomes sort of silicone past this point. Now there's no adjustments on the sides, all the adjustment is at the back. So the back of the mask strap is a two-part design, so you can push them together and it comes apart. So quick and easy to sort of clip it on, and then you adjust it by sort of pulling on these straps either side of that buckle. So on the inside of the mask, it has a twin sort of sealing area. So instead of just being a single seal around your face or around your eyes, this has this internal seal which just increases the surface area, so that really creates an effective seal all the way around your face, keeping the air in and keeping the water out. And as you can see, it's very, very low volume. There's no sort of additional internal volume in here at all, so you don't have to equalize it quite as often as you're going down. Now, of course, we have the nose pockets. You can equalize it as it does start to squeeze, and it's just gonna cover up your nose so water doesn't go up your nose. But you can see it does have a very limited field of vision, so this is really for sort of performance. If you're going down for depths and you want the lowest volume possible, this is definitely a mask worth looking at. It does have some side windows, which does improve your peripheral vision just a little bit, so you can see a bit further sort of wide. But when you compare this to a traditional normal diving mask, yeah, it very much limits your sort of field of vision. But it's a specialist piece of equipment for freedivers, someone who just wants the lowest internal volume so you don't have to equalize that squeeze quite as often. For freedivers, yeah, it's a great little mask, something small and compact, and definitely does the job. And this is the TUSA UM29 Freediving Mask. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.